What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm Alima. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. And if you've not subscribed already, click the subscribe button down below and join the family. So, you guys, this vlog is going to be different because I'm going to be vlogging throughout the week. And in my school, we are doing like a convention thingy for nursing students all over Nigeria. So, like all nursing students from all over Nigeria are converging in Unilag for a 1 week convention. So we have a series of activities that I'm going to be bringing you guys on. So you guys should stay tuned and yeah, let's go.
To create a stronger and a more resilient healthcare system in Africa. If you
You guys put the fire on this one. You guys, day 2 loading. Okay.
We listen, we don't judge.
Give a patient enough frustration instead of positivity.
We listen, we don't judge.
During defense, everybody feel like the researcher did. When you do research anything,
Even now, that way the researcher did what? And you don't do anything. We listen, we don't.
Assigning a random value for BP without hearing any grammatical sound or
I see.
The director of that facility set up a meeting. The matron was there. The facility owners were there. The whole medical team were there. On virtual because it was COVID in the United States then. And guess what? They wanted to talk to me. Why am I not in it? Did you see the leadership going in place?
So you guys, people came outside to like network and shit. We're still going to go back inside. it tastes like salted water. Okay.
And testify to the goodness of Pocari Sweat as it also cures HIV/AIDS. Are you not the chosen?
Accounting student.
Are you not the chosen? I'm a chosen. And it also cures HIV/AIDS, but seriously.
Wow. Getting inspired.
Seems like we have a lot today. Because here today, Amo still has something to say. So in case you have interest in blue.
Hey, okay, get to drink for the mommy. Mommy, let's go. Hey, come on. Come on.
What's up, you guys? Today's another day. I can't remember the last day I filmed in this convention week that we're doing. But today we came to the beach and yeah, about to see what it's gonna look like. So yeah, guys, stay tuned.
I'm not playing with you, I'm not joking. My God, I'm on this body. You keep flying, but I'm not falling.
actually struggling, you guys, because I'm trying to hold my clothes from entering water. Breeze. Hi. Want to put your leg on that side. Sarah, why so wicked? So you guys, this convention week was a whole lot, and we had other activities where I was not able to film, like the work we did against quackery, that's quackery in nursing profession, to talk about and spread awareness against it. Also, we had a conference where Peter Obi came to speak to us. Yes, that Peter Obi, but I was unfortunately not able to attend, and other series of activities like that. So it was a really packed convention week. But I just want to say to those people who might be watching who are nursing students from other states that came all the way from their states to Lagos, I know you guys did not have the best experience, but I just want to say the organizers had the best intention, but I wouldn't speak for them. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching, make sure you leave a like, comment down below what your favorite part of this vlog was, and subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Love you and peace.